Hi YouTube, it's Vega, and I'm going to go over the best way I found to style Kirishima's wig. First, you'll want to give your wig a good washing, and then hang it upside down while you brush it out. You can then leave it to air dry or blow dry it to speed things up. Once the wig is reasonably dry, you'll want to section off 2 chunks of hair on either side that represent the sideburns. Unlike the rest of the hair, these 2 pieces are going to be pointing down instead of sticking up. Now to start applying the hairspray. Make sure you spray from further away so it doesn't clump up, and after every spray, use a blow dry to dry it into position. Once you've applied a nice even layer all around, the wig hairs should be able to stand up on their own. If you find that your wig is still kind of flat, you can re-wash your wig and repeat this process. Doing this 2 to 3 times will help to train the wig fibers into place. Once you've got your wig styling station set up, you're going to want to separate 2 little tufts on either side to represent his little horns. Now you're going to want to add some layers to the main front spike. Brush out the areas that you want to trim down and cut them down to your desired length. You'll also want to start teasing the hair by spraying it and blow drying it so the spike really sticks forward. For the 2 little front spikes, you'll first have to cut them down to desired height. Then apply a generous amount of hairspray and mold them into a spike while you blow dry it. Alright, onto the back. So you're going to use that same teasing process to really get the fibers to stand up and defy gravity. Just keep on going with that until you're happy with the amount of volume. You're then going to separate the hair into multiple clumps that are going to be turned into more defined spikes. Once again, spray and mold into shape using horrendous amounts of hairspray. Just make sure you're not spraying too close, or else things will start to get really nasty and sticky. For the sideburns, you'll want to brush them out, cut them to the length, and then spray them into place. If you find that any of your spikes are having trouble staying in position, you can use a clear drying fabric glue to really hold the tips into place. And there you go, your Kirishima wig is done! Be warned, however, that this wig does tend to droop a little bit over time, so I would recommend storing it upside down, and make sure you add a little bit of extra spray each time you go out to wear it.
No need to show me how the reason you can't slow me down, season the moment only now. Yeah, so we gon' be